you like Texas? More little nails if you don't stay put.
Why are you doing this?
Because if you don't poke them, then they don't leak. And if they don't leak, we can't feed Grandpa. Silly.
Ruckus, my nap is just a goner. Certainly hope you children are pleased with yourselves. Where's Junior?
Mopping up, Mama.
That's what you always say. Mopping up. Which means you ain't caught them all yet, just like last time.
Please. What have we done? Can't you stop this?
You best shuttle up or I'll do your tongue first.
That's right. Best not to get Mama's dander up.
Bring home the bacon, Mama. Come on, Tex, give me a hand here. Go around. Go around. Get that trap off.
Fancy sneakers.
All right, now. Okay, don't bruise him. Pretty good sizing, ain't it?
Yeah, he's a keeper.
Got some dark meat coming in too, Mama. Junior be trotting it in any minute.
If he minds.
Well, Junior's been getting out of hand lately. But I got a present for him. I got a fine present, gonna keep him in line. Yes, sir.
You like that last present you got in that, electronic thing, Jay?
Of course you did. That's progress, boy. Technology is our friend. You might even learn something. Ain't that right, Mama?
What do you think of our little lady?
Uncertain. She looks to me like she might go all screamy on us, Eddie.
I wish you'd call me and text. I told you.
I'm sorry, boy. God damn it, I'm sorry. How'd you like to do us the honor of plugging that whore up?
Yes, sir. Hey, Ted. This is still kicking. Yippee-yi-hey. Hey, if you need anything, just twitch.
Well, I'm gonna go get Junior's present. Say, Tex, you wanna give me a hand? The thing's so damn heavy.
Don't even think of leaving. Not before dinner.
Dang
that trap out, Brad. You clean it good. So you don't tell me what I should do. Take your little face tech and ram it up your butt. That's what I'm gonna do. An eye for an eye, it's a tooth for a tooth, it's a hand for a hand, and an arm for an arm. What you got in here, Santa Claus? I see something. You betcha. I see something. Somebody's little are you? This way. You tell him what to do, he does it, huh? Little Alfredo does this, he does that. Yeah, 'cause Alfredo is stupid. Huh? Yo. Yo! He cleans and he does housework. Here we got a little pretty one. I liked you a long time ago, you know that. Hey, pretty one. We had some good times, didn't we? We don't have good times no more. You remind me of my last girl, down in Tupelo. Well, you're gonna go down below. Is it soup yet?
Hey, Junior. Got something special for you. Hank did it. Chrome's every damn thing. You like it, don't you?